Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best wooden tool set is probably one of the most versatile and engaging toys you can introduce to your toddler, offering a fantastic opportunity for imaginative play, skill development, and hours of creative fun as they mimic the adults in their lives and build their own little worlds. This set isn't just about mimicking, it's about fostering fine motor skills, problem-solving abilities, and a sense of accomplishment as they learn to use the various tools, all while exploring the tactile and natural beauty of wood, making it a truly enriching addition to any playroom. Number 5. Melissa and Doug Wooden Tool Kit. Unleash your child's imagination with this sturdy wooden toolbox playset. It's packed with everything they need to build and create. This set comes with wooden nails, screws, and boards, along with a child-size hammer, wrench, and screwdriver. All the tools they need for hands-on fun. Crafted from durable wood, this toy is built for hours of play. Its sturdy construction ensures it can withstand enthusiastic building sessions. Watch them develop essential skills like hand-eye coordination, counting, and problem-solving. It's a fun way to learn and grow. Ideal for preschoolers aged 3 to 6, this toy encourages screen-free, imaginative play. It makes a wonderful gift for any occasion. What we like. This set offers classic, durable wooden tools for imaginative building. If you're looking for a reliable and engaging toy that encourages hands-on learning and screen-free fun, this is a fantastic choice for preschoolers. What people say. The wooden tool set is well made and durable, perfect for little hands to grip and manipulate. It includes a variety of tools like a hammer, screwdriver, and wrench, allowing for imaginative play and skill development. The smooth, sanded edges ensure safety for toddlers during playtime. Number 4. Hape Fix-It Toolbox Toy. Introducing the Hape Fix-It Toolbox Toy, a fun and engaging way for your child to explore their creativity. This toy provides endless hours of imaginative play. With this toolbox, children can learn about different tools and their functions. It encourages problem-solving skills and fine motor development. Crafted from high-quality, child-safe materials, this toy is built to last. You can be confident that it's safe for your little ones to play with. Watch as your child's imagination comes to life as they pretend to fix and build. This toolbox is perfect for aspiring little handymen and women. Looking for the perfect gift? The Hape Fix-It Toolbox Toy is an ideal present for birthdays, holidays, or any occasion. It's sure to be a hit. What we like. This comprehensive kit provides a wide variety of tools and pieces for building diverse models, promoting creativity and problem-solving. If your child loves to build and create, and you want a durable, educational STEM toy, this is the perfect option. What people say. The wooden tool set is well made and durable, perfect for little hands. It includes a variety of tools like a hammer, screwdriver, and wrench, which are great for imaginative play. The smooth, sanded edges ensure safety for toddlers during playtime. Number 3. KIDWILL Wooden Tool Kit for Kids. This all-in-one tool kit is designed especially for kids, featuring everything they could want like a hammer, wrench, and screwdriver. With vibrant colors and cute patterns, your little one can enjoy amazing pretend play. Children can build various models using all the pieces, encouraging their imagination and improving their manual dexterity and problem-solving skills. They can create anything they can dream up. This is a great toy for developing color and shape recognition, counting skills, fine motor skills, and intellectual ability. It's perfect for keeping preschoolers busy for hours in their own workshop. Made from premium solid wood, these tools are designed to last and are safe for little hands. The included wooden storage box with a portable handle keeps everything organized and easy to take on trips. The set includes a wooden toolbox, wrenches, pliers, hammer, saw, ruler, assembly pieces, building blocks, wheels, bolts, and nuts. It's a complete set for endless building fun. What we like. This set offers a wide array of safe cutting tools for pretend play, made from wood and food-grade plastic. If your child enjoys mimicking kitchen activities and you want to foster their creativity and fine motor skills, this is an excellent choice for interactive play. What people say. The wooden tool set is well made and durable, perfect for little hands to grasp and manipulate. It includes a variety of tools like a hammer, screwdriver, and wrench, allowing for imaginative play and skill development. The smooth, sanded edges and non-toxic paint make it a safe choice for toddlers. Number 2. Montessori Kitchen Toys for Toddlers, Real Cooking Sets. Introducing a fun and safe way for your toddler to explore the joy of cooking. This set is designed to spark creativity and encourage imaginative play in the kitchen. This comprehensive set includes a variety of tools like wooden and stainless steel knives, cutting boards, peelers, and cutters. It has everything your child needs to get started with their culinary adventures. Crafted from healthy, BPA-free materials like wood and food-grade polypropylene, these tools are designed with safety in mind. They are non-toxic, durable, and perfect for little hands to use. Featuring cute designs and ergonomic handles, these tools are not only safe but also engaging. They help stimulate your child's interest in cooking and make meal preparation an enjoyable family activity. Encourage your child's creativity and hands-on abilities as they learn to imitate adult actions. This set is a wonderful way to foster independence and develop practical life skills. Create lasting memories by cooking together. This kitchen set provides a perfect opportunity for parents and children to bond, learn, and share in the joy of making meals. What we like. This kitchen set prioritizes safety with its specially designed tools, allowing children to participate in real meal prep. If you want to empower your child with independence and practical life skills in the kitchen, this Montessori-inspired set is ideal for fostering confidence. What people say. The wooden tools are smooth and well-made, with no sharp edges, making them safe for little hands. This set includes a variety of tools like a hammer, screwdriver, wrench, and pliers, offering diverse play options. The tools are perfectly sized for toddlers, easy for them to grip and manipulate during play. Number 1. SALUFO Montessori Kitchen Tools for Toddlers. Introducing a kitchen tool set designed with your child's safety as the top priority. Made from premium, BPA-free materials, these tools are gentle yet effective for little hands. This comprehensive set includes everything your child needs to explore the kitchen. It features safe knives, a crinkle cutter, and a peeler to encourage independent play and skill development. Watch your child's confidence grow as they safely participate in meal preparation. These tools help bridge the gap between imaginative play and real-life kitchen involvement, fostering autonomy. Built for active play, these tools are shatter-resistant and designed for long-term use. Cleaning is a breeze, with dishwasher-safe plastic items for a hygienic cooking experience. Looking for a creative, screen-free gift? This vibrant set is ideal for birthdays or holidays, offering a wonderful way for families to bond while nurturing culinary creativity. What we like. This kitchen tool set is crafted from safe, durable materials and includes functional tools for real cooking experiences. If you're searching for a creative and engaging gift that promotes bonding and culinary exploration for aspiring young chefs, this is a wonderful option. What people say. The set includes a variety of tools like a hammer, screwdriver, wrench, and pliers, all made from smooth, sanded wood. The wooden pieces are chunky and easy for little hands to grip, promoting fine motor skill development. It's a great open-ended toy that encourages imaginative play and problem-solving skills. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.